Are you looking to join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs in the booming metallic epoxy industry but do not have the necessary skills or experience? Fear not, we've got you covered. We will equip you with everything you need to succeed without any franchise fee or training costs. Our exclusive customized products are designed to make your life easier. And with our guidance, you will learn how to effectively market your business and maximize your profits. And with a royalty fee of just 1%, you will keep more of your hard-earned money. We are very confident in our products and methods that will offer a full refund for any unused materials. That is how much we believe in your potential to succeed. So for those who truly excel, we offer performance-based bonuses for your hard work and dedication. Our mission is simple: to make this amazing product accessible to everyone around the world. And we are excited to have you on board this journey to financial freedom and success in this metallic epoxy industry. Contact us today and let's make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.